Hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon to summer over at AB Electrical. My name is Josh. We spoke on the phone yesterday about how you guys can start increasing traffic to your guys' websites and turn those traffic into actual paying customers. So with that being said, we're going to jump right into it here, kind of explain what your guys' website needs in order to start ranking better and how we can kind of compare and contrast and start really blowing our competition out of the water so that way you guys can become the number one electrical contractor in all of Kansas City, Missouri. So, with that being said, right, we have your guys' website here. It's a great looking website. See that you guys are part of the Better Business Bureau rating. You got a citation on there. You're part of Google reviews. You have Google reviews. It's awesome. You got some of your guys' photos, kind of showing what you guys do. You guys have your service tabs, residential, commercial. It all looks like a really good website. But one thing you guys don't have a lot of is content, right? You have the content right here. But that's about it, right? You got to click the call button. That's great. Online quote button up here. You got to click the call number. It's all great, but we want more content, right? Google loves content. They will rank you better. They will recommend you more if you guys have the content. And the average homepage should have anywhere between 1,000 and 1,500 words of content. Google just loves it. And one way we can figure that out is actually by taking our URL, like we will do here, and bring it over into a tool like this. This is called Eris. This is a paid tool that we like to use. It's about 98% accurate. It's not 100% accurate, just like anything. We can't be 100% correct, but this gives us a great guideline of where you guys currently sit, right? I see right here, first things first, you have 0 DR and 21 UR. We kind of want to have a golden ratio between these, right? We want them to be just about similar, and then we'll be sitting money in Google's eyes. Currently, you guys only have 232 backlinks, 33 referring domains, and you're only targeting 9 organic keywords, which is surprising because as a second position in Google, you guys only have 9 keywords and 232 backlinks. One way we can tell that is actually comparing you to your number one competition, which would be Mr. Sparky, right? So we can do the same thing. We can compare them right here. According to your guys' website, you're getting roughly 16 traffic. This is to your homepage. This isn't to the whole entire website. This is just to your homepage, right? We can compare that to how Mr. Sparky Electric or Sparky Electric, whatever it was, Mr. Sparky, how they're doing with their homepage, right? So we have 232, select handful of traffic, and we can really see right here we're more at that golden ratio, right? 28 and 21 as compared to 21 and 20 or 21 and 0, right? This is a little closer. These guys have 1.4 thousand backlinks. They're targeting almost 5,000 different keywords, and they have almost 500 domains that have these backlinks connected to them. And that's generating them 4.5 thousand worth of traffic to their website alone. So with that being said, we want to go in to figure out, hey, what are these guys doing that's working for them? We want to figure out what keywords they're using. Electrical wire colors, 2,000 search volume, right? What's ceiling fan making noise? Seems like an odd one, but it's getting big searches, right? Electricians near me. We don't really want to target near me because it's all based off of location, right? So we want to focus more on ones like where is the red wire in electrical? Boom, you guys want to pop up for that, right? 1,600 search volume. So we want to target all of these keywords that have really high search volume. That way we can have a larger reach online when people are searching all kinds of different things, right? We know people search differently. So we want to have as many options as possible. Same thing as the keywords, we can kind of go in and figure out, hey, what kinds of backlinks are they using? Do we have the same ones? Do we want to target some of the ones that they have? Do we want to get more? Obviously, we want more, right? Because you guys were lacking by a couple thousand, but we also want to get good quality ones as well. We have all kinds. We have citations, we have influence or link juice. We've got guest posts as well. We've got no follow and do follow. Explain a few of them here. Citations are anywhere online that your guys' business might be represented, like a Yellow Pages or let's see if we can find an example here. Home Advisor, that's a great citation to have as well. We also have guest posts, which is usually like a Chamber of Commerce page or a blog section, right, where our name gets brought up in there. Those are really powerful ones to have as well. So we also can compare and contrast if we search electricians, Kansas City, Missouri, right? This is just one of thousands of keywords you guys probably want to look for and target, but this is what I searched, right? And so the first thing that pops up for this keyword is Mr. Sparky and you guys, and then AD's electric team, right? But you guys have 15 reviews, right? Mr. Sparky's sitting at 711. So we definitely want to boost the reviews. We can go in and compare what kinds of photos these guys have compared to you. We want to figure out what citations they have. We want to be able to put 3 to 4 or 500 citations into our Google business profile as well. Not just in our website, but we also want in our Google business profile. Now, the more the merrier. We're trying to get a larger reach. And once we reach out to a lot more websites online, the more people are going to be able to find us better, which is going to increase traffic and it's going to increase profits and sales. So, with that being said, everybody over at AB Electrical, my name is Josh Nelson. I hope you guys found this video useful in any way, shape, or form. That way you guys can start applying this to what you guys are already currently doing. If you don't have the time or don't wish to do it, we'd be happy to help you as well. But again, this was just an informative video. So with that being said, guys, thank you for your time. You guys have a great rest of your day.